Okay, hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning: your invested capital may be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not an investment advice. So this video is another live trading explanation video of those things which I have explained in my ebook. Get this ebook, it's for free. You'll find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, binary option, turbo trading concepts, market condition, trade identification, rejection, and candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of financial instrument and any kind of time frame. So get this ebook, it's for free. You'll find the link in the description. So let me see. You'll see it's going down here. This will be in the money, so I can show you immediately how I apply full Fibonacci levels here on this level. Look at this. This is how you have to apply the Fibonacci level. Then I do this one, what I have shown you also in the Fibonacci video. Yes, I will turn it around, but okay, I will turn it around. There's so much time to do this. You see the 161.8 Fibonacci level there above. And then I will expand it into this way to understand, okay, now it's going down. So here we have the 200. Okay, I have to do a call here. On the next candle, I will do a call. Let me see. Yes, I will do call. I entered a little bit lately, yes, but I'm expecting that price will go up further. That here is not the complete stuff, yes, that is here. You have to imagine that this is the 261.8 Fibonacci level. That means, look at this, that we have a lot of space. Yes, let me show you this here. We have a lot of space, yes, this is the one, you see, the 261.8, and here is the next level. Yes, that means we have a lot of space, and mostly here in between is some kind of other area which could be act as a resistance area, but it's far away. And I told you in the video about the Fibonacci level that such reversals at this level are holding mostly more than only one candle. Yes, okay, in this case it will maybe no only one candle because it's a huge candle. Yes, it's already got above this level. That is a lot. So let me see if I can do, I could do another put here if I get a higher entry point, but I have to understand first of all something else. Yes, no, let me remove this. So let me see if I can draw them again. So I will draw this from here to this. So I see what's happening here. Okay, it was a fake breakout of the 23.6. Maybe it will retrace now till this level, but we have the purchase time is wrong at the moment. You see it's retracing now, yes, which shows me that we get here maybe a good reversal now. So the purchase time was wrong, else I would have done this. But now it could be happening that the next candle will be a red one. Yeah. Yes, I am expecting that price will go down, and that's the reason why I did a put here. Yes, because we are still in a downtrend. Yes, and that looks like a fake breakout of the 23.6 Fibonacci level, and that's the reason why I'm doing a put here. So, and that is what I have explained also in the video about the Fibonacci level. There I have shown you exactly the same kind of trades, yes, based on those things. And you see how you can turn around the Fibonacci like you want till it fits the chart. Yes, that is important because there is no right drawing. There is no drawing where you can say up, down, out, down, up. Yes, from below to above, to from above to below. No, it's free. You have free because the ratios are universal and you can apply them to any kind of chart and any kind of swing high and swing low. And you have only to fit them. And you have seen how I use the trick to get the in between. So that was enough. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe. And if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section, or join the Facebook group, and join the Facebook group. So I would say that was it. Stay safe and bye bye.